Okay, all variants are selected. Okay, all of these variants, it's okay. As you see here, we have the ability to add images for each of them. Here we have the ability to add images for each of them. Okay, let's try to see what is images. Okay, orange. Okay, let's go to choose the image. Okay, save. Here we go. Okay, I think we have a long time to add or to choose. Okay, here we go. This color for this image, and green. Also, I'm going to add the green. This is the green. It's saved now. Let's scroll down to see white. Click here to see the white. Save changes. So let's scroll down. Okay, I think this example is more clear. I'm sorry, small blue. Okay, it's blue. You have to go to choose the blue. It's white again. Okay, this is the white. This is the black. Okay, here we go. This is the black. Okay, orange. Come back again to the orange. This is the orange photo. Okay, this is the red. Choose the red again. Here is the red. Make save. Okay, green. Go to green. Oh my god. Okay, this is the green. Okay, this is the green. Okay, I had some mistakes on some photos. I will be back again. White green. This is white green. It's not white. It's white green. So I have to choose this photo. As you see, let's scroll down. Scroll. White green. I'm going to white green to choose this image. Then we have to make some save changes. Blue. Save changes. White. Save changes. Orange. Save changes. Red. Green. White green. Select, then save. Blue. Save. White. Select white. Save. Also black. Here we go. Save changes. Orange. I think so. It's orange. Okay. Here we go. Save changes. Oh my god. It's headache. There are a lot of products. It's blue. I think so. It's red or green. Okay, it's red. It's okay. Here's a green. Choose green. Okay, this is the green. Okay, after that, after green, we have to choose white green. Choose white green. Select. Let's scroll down. Blue. Choose the blue. We have to save. Okay, what's the color here? Okay, it's white. Okay, here we go. Choosing the white. Choose white. Also, we have to choose the black. Save. Orange. Also save. Okay, red. Go to red. Save. Okay, this is the way to add a variant of multiple products. I have to add green, sorry. Okay, this is the green color. Save it changes. White green. This is the white green. Save it changes also. Let's scroll down to select the blue. Okay, this is the blue. Save it changes. This is the white. Select and save it changes. Also here we see the black, final black. Okay, as you see here we see all of these products which is relates under two conditions of variance with the size and the color. Also we had checked all of these 35 variant products. So here we add 35 products which similar to the current product of t-shirt. Okay, that's all. We had the collections, we had the vendor, we had the tag, we have customized all of this information. Now let's go to make a save change. Save change, that's all. Okay. Let us check if there are any problems. I think there's no problem. Okay, we had the save changes. Now let's go to visit the site. Then we have to make a refresh to see what happens. Okay, that's correct. Here you see this t-shirt. Okay, maybe someone asked me why this product comes up here before other products. Okay, because of the, as you know, the order at the site alphabetically. So the T is alphabetical. Let's go to visit this product by click here at this product. Here we go. Here we see the full details at this product. As you see here, here we see the all details. Okay. Here we see the other options, the other images. At this point, here we see all options. As you see, also here we have the size and the color. Let's go to choose the size of medium and the color with red. Okay, it's directly the image changed. Let's go to choose the other option to choose blue. Let us see. Okay, that's all. If you want to go over to see full options with different or multiple options which appear at this point, that's all. Let's go to close. This is the product. This is the original price. This is the discount price. This is the full description. So that's all for this product. Also, when we come back to the catalog, here we see here we can see the full products or the huge or all products which mine on our store. So that's all. Go to home page again. That's all for this moment for adding and customizing products. And see you at the transfers and at the inventory. Let's go to the inventory. You have unsaved. Okay. No. We have to save changes. Before leaving, we have to save change every time. Okay, that's all. Product saved successfully. Okay, that's all. Transfers will be our next lecture to discuss more about details. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.